All right, here we go. Morning of day 23. I hope that's right. Gonna get started on the deck. Gonna finish the deck, and then I have to put soffit backing up here. I have to put a post in this corner,
and I also have to finish this portion of roof right there. And now I'll get you into time lapse. Yeah.
I have to go cut a piece of sheeting. I'll be back. All right, back. I don't know if you can hear, but it's a little windy today. All right, that completes the roof. Oh, yeah, finish the roof. Oh no, there's a little bit of roof on the front garage yet I have to do. A bell roof. All right, this will be fun. Watch the show.
I'm pretty sure I meant the wind. I don't know what I'm thinking sometimes. I think the show meant the wind. Yeah, wind with the paper. It was going to be chaotic. Turned out it went okay.
Fun. So it's after lunch here.
All right, you're on my forehead. We're gonna do some hidden fasteners. I did a whole video on this. These are called the camo deck. I don't know, camo. This is what they look like. Unfortunately, my first piece, which has no groove, I have to go and literally drill right through the face. So I countersink it, push it together, tap, 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 tap. Almost gone. Do it again. Schmirch, schmirch, tap, 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 tap. And this here piece, oh no, let's do 2 more. Don't let me forget that. Okay, try to make this disappear as best we can. And now we start with these things. This is where knee pads would be nice. It's too hot, I'm not wearing any. Hey. So I don't mind these hidden fasteners. The only problem I really have with them is the size of the gap they leave. I hate a gap. and so on. Back to time lapse. Just finishing up here. You can't tighten these. You can't tighten these screws until it's in place, otherwise it pulls the tongue down and it doesn't slide into the groove. So now I'm just fastening. I got my clutch set, so got my clutch at 9. Is it a clutch? Whatever. Okay. Ah, that looks nice. I like this decking. It's pretty. All right, this will go one of two ways. Let's find out which way it goes.